Amazon turkey dinner. How it's called? Thanksgiving dinner.
Where's the honest explanation of squash?
It's true, right?
Fucking adult baby.
That's like pumpkin pie. Like pumpkin pie.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that. No, I don't your
You know something
but
funny?
thank you.
My brother. Huh? You know something really funny? My brother.
I can't see.
Hopefully nothing.
When you come, you can always look in the mirror.
I can't see out of your mirror with your big head.
Your mirror.
You got that gigantic head.
You need your side on mine.
You got a George Lopez head.
No. And when you change, when you are already on the line outside, you when you look mirrors, you even go forward and look in your shoes. How you come?
I think you got kind of for you.
And how you doing when you're not?
I pray that you're with me.
No, I have to go. For dinner, spaghetti. And then I go to work. Yay! Today on dinner, pizza from Walmart, and I added mushrooms from Can. Good pizza. Yay! Very good. Pork chops, potatoes and corn for dinner. got my order from Best Buy today, Black Friday. So I ordered 2 things, and one will be shipped to house. So I ordered Sony digital camera for vlogging. It was not bad deal and looks like this. So I will do unboxing at home. Sony ZV-E10. Yeah, it has that microphone in it. I also ordered additional microphone as an accessory, so that should be good. And also accessory package, also something like this. So it's a tripod that can be like put like this, and you can rotate it, which is cool. I don't know how the tripod works, if it has additional batteries and you charge it or what. Vlogger kit. You need card for it? Oh, actually it comes with card, I think. That's good. I'm happy. Although I bought one card for $12 because it was a deal. I think it's a good deal because it was this card. 128 gigabyte. And it's not so slow, so $12 only, so that's not bad. So yeah, that's my small shopping and Black Friday, and it has financing for 18 months. Yay. Okay, now I'm heading to work because I have shift today. Shift that is all day shift. Yeah, today's Friday, Black Friday. Okay, so time to go. See you later.
Thank you.
This is caramel cup. They taste good. Let's open it.
Fine. Thank you. You got any chips for breakfast?
Yeah, breakfast of champions.
Yummy. Today on dinner, salad, fries, chicken.
If we have pizza in the fridge, it needs to be thrown out.
That's yours.
Also ours.
Yeah, that was from a week ago.
Every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday at home.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind. The number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he hooked my could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay. All I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. I wait under the mistletoe, hoping that he'll soon be knocking on my door. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes
Winter Wonderland. It was snowing at night and in the day yesterday. And I'm going to work today. Additional shift before Christmas. The week before Christmas, so I have additional shift. I have to go to work because it's very busy in Amazon. Many packages to pack and ship. Yeah. And here is Winter Wonderland. It might soon. Tomorrow. After tomorrow. See? Looks cute. Christmas vibes. I mean, winter vibes. See, we didn't shuffle it. Looks like this. His car is all in snow.
Pas de soleil,